Alright, let's talk about what's going on above our heads. Lately, people all over the UK have been spotting strange, silent lights floating through the night sky. We're not talking about the odd shooting star or a passing plane. These are slow-moving, sometimes hovering, and, here's the weird bit, they don't make a sound. Now, I know what you're thinking. Drones, right? That's the obvious answer. And yes, modern drones can do all sorts of clever things. Hover, change direction on a sixpence. Even switch off their lights and vanish. But here's the catch. No one's come forward to say, that was us. Authorities haven't confirmed a thing, and the official line is, well, silence. Could it be something else? There are loads of possibilities. Satellites, experimental aircraft, maybe even a SpaceX rocket plume if you're lucky or unlucky enough to catch one. Sometimes it's just Venus, the ISS, or a stray sky lantern setting off a whole neighborhood. But not all these sightings can be explained away. Some match the sort of things seen near military sites or power stations, which makes people wonder about espionage or high-tech surveillance. And if you're thinking this is just a UK thing, it's not. The US has had its own headaches, with drone swarms causing enough fuss to get the FAA involved. So what's really up there? Honestly, that's still the big question. Until someone steps forward or the authorities give us a straight answer, all we can do is keep our eyes on the skies and maybe think twice before launching that next sky lantern.